Last week I put up a video with problems that we were having with the Camec 4-season hatches, the control knobs on them, and I got a lot of feedback from people that are also having problems with the control mechanisms. But on one of the sites that I posted, at one of the Facebook sites, the Traveller Owners website, a guy came back with a solution to the problem without having to go and spend $50 every time one plays up. By playing up, I mean you turn it and you can feel that the spring is jamming as you try to open it, and it just doesn't operate smoothly. And his solution was just to get a bit of what we call whippersnipper cord or line trimmer cord and put that inside the spring, and that stops the spring from flexing too much, stops it from bending, and makes the operation smooth. So with that in mind, I've done two. This one was playing up, now smooth as. This one was also playing up, it's smooth. And this is a new one, feels the same as the ones that were repaired. So I'll just quickly show you how to do it. So I probably picked the hardest one to do. This one's above our bed, pretty difficult to get to. The first thing you do, you got to pull the fly screen out, like so, and has a retaining clip, one clip at the top, one clip at the bottom, and two at the top on the side to help you line it up. So with the screen removed, just open it up, open up your hatch, and you got to get in there and squeeze the clips. And they can be tight. Okay, you remove that, and you remove the retaining clip at the back. Can be a fiddly job if your hands are big, so just stick something in there. I'll leave that little clip out. There we go. And the spring comes off. And there you go. It's really tight to get going, so it needs fixing. So on to the next step. Okay, so the guy on Facebook suggests you use 2.7mm line. I've only got 2.4, but the 2.7 would fit perfectly inside that spring. But we just use what we got. Just cut off a bit about 6 inches long. Just ram it inside the spring. Ram it all the way home. Oh, good guess at the length. You put that in there. Make sure it's rammed home. There you go. Now the spring still flexes like it's meant to, but it won't overflex, won't bend. So then we just put it all back together again. Okay, so reassemble is just the reverse. That's up with the two lugs. I put the spring through there, through to the retaining clip, lock it in place there, line up all the holes, all the lugs, just clip it back into place. Bug screen back on. And there we go. It's a little bit catchy right down the bottom, but heaps smoother. And it actually works. there you go. Hope that helps you out. See you next time.